Hey guys, welcome to Circuit for You. You are watching video 3 of series Arduino for beginners. In the previous video, we have seen the Blink program for Arduino. So in this video, we will try to upgrade the program to Fade program. Before starting the video, please make sure that you have subscribed the channel so that you will get notification for every new video. So let's start the video. In Blink program, you might have seen that the LED is just blinking, that is the LED is getting on and off with a particular time delay. So in this video, we are going to use pulse width modulation to make our LED on and off with fade. That is, the LED will slowly increase its brightness till it gets completely on, and it will slowly decrease the brightness till it gets off. So please watch the video till end so that you will get the actual concept for this program. This is Blink program. To get better idea how to fade the LED, I will just edit the Blink program. So you can easily compare both programs. So I will now copy the program in new programming tab. Now the very first change is that we are not going to use the digital input output pin. That is, in Blink program we have used the pin 13 and we can use any pin from 0 to 13. But for fade program we are going to use PWM, that is pulse width modulation pins. Now in Arduino you can see this sign which represents PWM pins. So for this we will use pin number 9. So this is first change we have to make. Now I will include two variables as status and fade. I will explain the use of these variables later on. Now the setup part remains same, as the device uses LED, that is for output. Now in while loop we have to make major changes. The first change is that instead of digital write we are going to use analog write. You will be knowing that digital is nothing but 0 and 1. That is, for 0 the output is null and for 1 output is high. Since we want fading, so we will be using analog. Very first we will make the LED off by providing initial condition. As initially the status is 0. Now we will gradually increase the output. So for logic we will be using a formula as status equal to status plus fade. Now to stop the loop, when there will be 100% output, we will put a condition. That is, if the status is less than 0 or the status is greater than 50, then we will reverse the condition by using a formula fade is equal to negative. And for clear view, we will keep a delay of 100 microseconds. Now let's save the program and upload it to the Arduino board. The program is successfully uploaded to Arduino and you can see that there is a fading of LED. The amount of fade and time depends on delay and status limit. Let's make some changes and see what happens. Now let's make the delay 1 second and upload the program. Here you can see that the LED is getting on for long time and it is off for long time. So this is not representing fade properly. So let's make another changes. We will try to decrease the delay. So let's make the delay 50 and upload the program. Here you can see that the LED is getting on and off so rapidly. That's why we are not able to see the fade. So we will go to previous condition. That is, we will make the delay as 100 microseconds. Now let's try to make some changes in status limit. So we will make the status limit as 100 and we'll upload the program. Here you can see the clear fade. That is, the LED is getting on and off with delay of 100 microseconds and fade amount of 100. I hope you all have enjoyed this video, so please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel.